a source file. Apart from giving it a .java extension, you are also requested to save it using the name of the class, which has the public modifier. As we go on in this lesson, we'll be learning about modifiers and we'll understand why this is called public or why we should have public there. Okay, so I'm going to save this file now. I'm going to copy this name and do a Control S. To save this file, I am going to create a new folder. Go to my computer, go to C drive. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to create a folder called soft school Java. Soft school Java. Okay, I'm going to create another folder here. Sorry, I have that SoftSchool Java. Click on the folder here. I call this week1, day1. Okay, then here I'm going to name this. So I must put this there .java. Please remember to do this. Okay, if you don't do this, it's going to give it a .txt extension. Okay, or you put the name of the class and you select look for Java here. That's it. Okay, then you click save. You can see the color changes now. It becomes a little like light blue, it becomes black. Okay, you see this become red. You see that because it now understand that this is not just an ordinary text file but a Java source file. That's the one more reason why I would also use this editor rather than using Notepad, the regular Notepad. Alright, so that's the source file, Java source file. If you are able to save a file, remember save with the name of the class, okay, and give it a .java extension. If you look at this heading here, you see the path to where you save your file. You have C, SoftSchool Java, week1 day1, and we have our SoftSchool Java 1.java. Please ensure you have a .java here and not a .txt, and we're using a Notepad++ as our editor. So this is what we call a Java source file. As we go on again, we're going to understand more about this Java source file. Okay, now let's go into the next point we have in our agenda. It's the keywords and identifiers used in Java. Keywords and identifiers. What are keywords? What are the identifiers in Java? Okay, I'll tell you. Keywords refers to words that are peculiar to Java, that whenever you use those words, Java is expected to do something. Okay, as in those words are reserved words in Java, and Java uses those words to perform certain operations. Okay, and you should never use them just carelessly. Okay, now I have a list of those words here. Yeah, this is a list of Java keywords. We have about 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah, so we have these Java keywords. Now I want to also explain something about Java keywords and Java reserved words. There are some words in Java that are called keywords, and there are some words in Java that are called reserved words. Now, the reason why there's a difference is because in Java, the two are not really the same. What I mean is, every keyword in Java performs specific operation when you use it in the source file. Yeah, okay. But a reserved word may not do anything in the source file, but still Java still insists you don't just use these words as variable names. We're still going to come back to variable names and see how variable names are declared and how they are used. For instance, whenever Java uses something like final or float, okay, these are keywords in Java, or for. Look at this word. For is used for iteration, for looping, to do a repeated loop, okay, in our program. They also have private, another modifier, okay, which is used for creating a private variable or a private class or a private method. They also void, also another keyword. If you look at this keyword called const, const, okay, const is not a keyword, okay, but it's a reserved word, meaning that this word does not perform any specific function in Java. Okay, normally it is expected to do what this keyword is supposed to do is to create a constant but in Java we use final to create constants. Okay, so Java has reserved this word, okay, that shouldn't use this word, okay, but again, as a keyword, this doesn't perform any function in Java. So we can say that every keyword in Java is a reserved word. See import also a keyword. Every keyword in Java is a reserved word, but not all reserved words are keywords in Java. Yeah. Okay. All right. So now looking at this again, we notice that we have public, a modifier. We'll study about modifier as we go on in our lesson, hopefully maybe in the third or second week. Then we have a class, which is also a keyword in Java. Then we have this name to represent the name of our class. Then we have the open and closing curly brackets signifying the block of our class. Now, I also want to let you know that Java is block oriented. Okay, block oriented meaning that what we'll be using a lot of braces a lot in our programs or in our class, in our source file. Okay, and Java is also class oriented, meaning that you cannot write any program in Java until a class is declared. All right. Okay. So that's keywords. Now, what are identifiers? Now, identifiers are simply variables. Okay, identifiers are variables in Java. So if I do something like say name becomes an identifier. Okay, if I say name is equal to Dami, Damilola, yeah, Damilola, this is acceptable. Okay, this is a statement